Hi, Midwest, and welcome back to Dino Craft, which we will be doing, which we will be building our company. Now this place is a national park here. It's called Stump Chair. It's called Tree Chair. I don't know what to call that national park. Oh, we gotta collect some stuff here. Did they drop oh, I don't think they dropped any seeds for us. Okay, let's replant those seeds. Alright. Oh gosh, didn't want to pick up a dark oak sap. Wait, an oak sapling. Are you kidding? I can maybe chop that tree down. Maybe we can use this tree's wood for stuff. I don't know. Let's get rid of our wooden axe first. Oh, we got rid of it. I swear, if I get a sapling, I don't know what to do. Alright. We're out by the lake. We'll have to find somewhere to place the door to if we're gonna build it. I guess I'll find a new spot for that. Okay. We'll go like that. Alright, so let's use all this wood for the base. Oh gosh. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was all of it. But we're still making it bigger. Do you know how much money I can raise for this? I don't know if I need this oak wood for anything, but oh well. I'll build some more on the company, and then the next video we will win. We will get a chance for it, but soon as we put some stuff in it. as soon as we, like, jump up, as soon as we can run out of wood, what can we use for some more building? Oh, we have a furnace. Better drop it off at the house site. As soon as we get this furnace dropped off, we can, like, I can, like, get more time to build that hunting company. That hunting store. Where exactly do I have this lighthouse at? Okay, there's that scallop. And okay, there are those hills, so it's gotta be like going toward the sun or something. Never get lost around here. And even maybe, just maybe, I gotta get to bed, and I'm gonna go to bed and drop this off tomorrow. I don't want to get lost in the middle of the night. Good night. See you tomorrow. Another morning. Okay, this time for sure I will... I didn't want to do that.
It's huge. It's just like you're in the gameplay.
Skip back.
This player right here will be...
Okay, there's the build, so I think I remember where I left it. There's Wheat Ponds, a national park around here. There it is. Okay, I have the furnace. As soon as we get this furnace dropped off, it'll be the end of the show. Part 2 will come. Okay, that's gonna be a door there. Boop, there we go. Well, I guess that's a good stop for a build of the company. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button and click the bell button so you can be part of the notification squad. So see you guys soon. Bye.